Please take out page 57 and 58 or lesson 3.2 and let's work through our math together. All right, we are working on same number, kind of taking it just a little bit deeper with the one-to-one. So if you look at the first problem here by the red star, I have basketball goals, okay? For the first one, they have drawn a basketball and they've got one goal to one basketball. I'm going to follow their example and I want to make sure that each basketball goal has a basketball. So I'm going to draw my basketball. You're more than welcome to draw these lines through there if you feel so inclined, or you can just draw a circle. And then I'm going to give each goal and each basketball a line to connect them. All right, and so over here, this is also missing its basketball. So I'm going to connect the basketball and the goal. So there are 3 goals and 1, 2, 3 basketballs. All right, I'm going to do the same thing for the next activity. However, this time I have a tennis racket and a tennis ball. So this problem is missing a tennis ball. I need to draw a tennis ball, and then I'm going to connect the tennis ball and the tennis racket. Again, over here, I'm missing a ball. So I need to draw the ball and connect it to the racket. For the final problem, by the green star, I have a badminton racket and a shuttlecock, or a birdie. Some people call it birdie. I'm going to draw a birdie, and then I am going to connect the birdie to the racket. Okay? So that when I am finished, I will have 1, 2, 3 rackets and 1, 2, 3 birdies. Same number of each object. All right, let's turn over to page 58. And this time I have to draw the items to make the same number. So in the first picture, they have given me some grasshoppers, and I need to draw grass so that each grasshopper has grass. I have 4 grasshoppers. I only have 1 set of grass. So I need to draw 1, 2, 3 more to make this the same number. So there's my first set of grass. There's some more grass and some more. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4 grasshoppers and 1, 2, 3, 4 blades of grass. I have the same number of each. Next, they have given me spiders, and so I have to draw the same amount of spider webs as there are spiders. They've helped me out. They already made 1 spider web. So I need to make 2 more so that I have the same amount. My spider web's going to get real messy here real quick. I'm going to stop right there because I think it's going to get too sloppy, okay? So let's just make 1 more, and then I'll have 3 spiders and 3 spider webs. I have the same number of spider webs as I do spiders. If you notice, over here there isn't a spider, so I don't need to draw the web, okay? There's only 3 spiders and 3 webs. Finally, they've given me 2 ladybugs. I need to draw the same number of leaves that there are ladybugs. So there are 2 ladybugs. They've drawn 1 leaf. I need to draw another leaf. There's my leaf. So now I have 2 ladybugs and I have 2 leaves. Go ahead and finish up your work, and when you're all done, stick that in your black folder. Good job.